So in this short video we're going to talk about the roller not rolling and sticking. I suppose the first thing is to make sure that the roller is correct. The roller needs to slide in nicely into the housing. What can happen is there's actually, this is the roller, it's two-piece, but if the insert is not centered on the roller, if it's sticking out on one side, it's tight inside in the housing. So that is going to be enough to cause the roller not to turn. So just double check that the center piece is centered on the roller and it is dropping in here nicely. One issue that I have found just in one case is the insert, which is tight. Just get it out here. Is these four bars, the two ends are clipped into it, that it's not pressed down properly. So you need to just take it out, press down hard on it and make sure it's closed, because this has to be loose inside the housing. Then just insert it into the roller like that and drop it into the housing. So once you have the roller correct, like so, the roller will just roll easily like that. The other issue that we've covered previously is the paint is uniform. If the paint isn't shaken well and it has separated, and you put the bottle on the applicator and the water comes out, what you're left with then is lumpy paint, which can cause an issue with the roller. The other thing I want to cover is cows that have cycled and that have the hair removed after a previous cycle can become, some farmers might think it's a bit tricky to paint them. I suppose my advice is just make an attempt to paint them. You'll get a small bit of paint on if they're very shiny, and once that paint dries in the following milking, it acts as friction and you get a good cover of paint after that.